Creating a kid-friendly video guide about toilets gives children confidence to understand basic home systems and reduces fear around plumbing tasks. Teaching kids about toilets starts with simple anatomy of the fixture and how each part works together to move water and waste safely away. Explain the tank, bowl, flush valve, fill valve, and trapway using everyday comparisons like a water bottle, a sponge, a one-way door, and a slide so those concepts stick. Demonstrate basic safe checks that require no tools such as listening for running water, looking for cracks or leaks around the base, and testing the flush to see if it clears solid waste. Have them note what normal sounds look like versus continuous running water. Show how to stop water flow by turning the shutoff valve under the tank, and describe where to find the main water shutoff for the house in case the under-tank valve does not work. Teach simple clog troubleshooting using a plunger with a proper seal and using steady pump motions rather than frantic pushing, and explain when to call an adult if water backs up high or drains slowly despite plunging. Emphasize hygiene by instructing hand washing for at least 20 seconds after any interaction and recommend wearing gloves for any cleanup, while reminding kids not to try repairs involving tools, electricity, or removing tank lids without adult supervision. Common mistakes include encouraging kids to stick objects down the drain, which leads to clogs. Teach them to never flush toys and to dispose of garbage in the trash instead. Another issue is confusing persistent running water with a normal short flush. Explain that if water runs continuously after the tank fills, they should alert an adult who can check the flapper seal or fill valve. A third concern is trying to fix leaks with household glues or tapes, which often fail. Advise turning off water, containing any drips with towels, and getting an adult to source proper replacement parts, or call a professional. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a space for contractors to find project leads that match their skills. We run a discussion community on the site where families and tradespeople exchange tips, ask questions, and share project experiences.